Microsoft just made it officially. Windows 11 version 26H2 is now showing up in the latest Insider experimental build 26300.8697. Plus, there are fixes for Hyper 5, crashes, gaming issues, start menu, reliability, file explorer, improvement, and more. Let me show you everything that's new. Microsoft has released Windows 11 Insider Experimental Preview Build 26300.8697 for user in the experimental channel. While this isn't a features-packed release, it brings important stability improvement and officially moves the operating system to version 26H2. The biggest change in today's build is that Windows now identify itself as version 26H2. If you are running the experimental build, you will notice the new version number under settings and also when running the Winver command. So let's run the Winver command. Press Windows plus R. Type it WINVER. Press enter. This confirmed that Microsoft is preparing the next major Windows release under the 26H2 version name. Although there are no major consumer-facing features yet, this is an important milestone for insider user. For File Explorer, improvement has improved the visual consistency and reliability of the File Explorer. Copy dialog in a dark mode. The launch animation and expanded progress view should now behave more smoothly and consistently. You can see here it's moving perfectly fine with a more consistency and faster progress. So it will save a lot of time. Start menu reliability fix. Another welcome fix improve start menu reliability. Previously, some newly installed or remove application might not immediately appear correctly. Microsoft says this issue has now been resolved without requiring a sign out or system restarts. So you can see there is a lot of improvement. It has been giving you faster experience. Go to the personalizations from system settings, scroll down slowly, go to taskbar, click it. You can see here some of the features which you have already released in the earlier version. Okay, these are the taskbar positions: bottom, top, left, and right. So you can choose as per your need. For user testing the smaller taskbar option, Microsoft has fixed an issue where the system tray could become partially cut off or even move off the screen. So this fix has been done in this build. You can see the top taskbar. If you can scroll it down, these are the system tray, whatever the applications you want to have it in the system tray. So now here I'll just make it smaller. You can see it's not being cut enough. It's showing properly in the screen. So this has drastically improved the the system tray is visible clearly. So indeed, this is a major fix has been done by Microsoft. There are some improvement in the app sections. The startup apps page inside settings also receives reliability improvement, helping the page load and function more consistently. So these are the startup apps. It's depend upon you what are the startup apps you want to have it in your system. So let's imagine these are the startups apps I have enabled in my system. So there is an improvement and more consistency has been given. The another features is the Hyper 5 and gaming crashes fixes, which has been done in this build. This update also fixes one of the most important issue affecting some insider devices. Microsoft resolved a bug that could trigger system crashes, showing hypervisor error and no mode expectation not handle error. This crash could occur during system restart while running virtual machines, or even when playing certain games. If you experience blue screen error recently, this build may solve this problem. So here I have enabled the virtualization in my system. So this fixes has been done in this build and is a major improvement which is being done for the gaming user. Microsoft remind user that experimental channel build are still early test version. Features can change, disappear, or never reach the public release. Many features are also delivered through control feature rollout, meaning not everyone received them immediately. So you can see here the insider Windows Insider program. Click it. These are the experimental channel which is being shown here. Overall build 26300.8697 is primarily a stability focus update, but the introduction of version 26H2 is definitely the headline features. Alongside that, Microsoft has improved File Explorer, Start menu reliability, taskbar behavior, setting stability, and fixed critical Hyper 5 and gaming related crashes. If you're running the experimental challenge, let me know in the comment section whether you are already received version 26H2 and if you have noticed any improvement after installing this build. Let me know. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.